Four shot, two fatally in Trelawny gun attack. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have confirmed that 2 of 4 men who were shot in Duncan's Trelawny on Saturday evening have succumbed to their injuries. The police, however, did not disclose the identities of the deceased persons. The men were reportedly attacked by gunmen at a garage. The incident occurred around 7 p.m. No motive have yet been established so far for this latest gun attack in Trelawny. The Trelawny police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.